Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix all Capability Access Manager issues in Windows 11 and reclaim your valuable storage space. To get started, simply search for Services and open it. From here, find Capability Access Manager service, right-click over it and stop the service. Now minimize the services window. Search for command prompt. Right-click over it and run it as administrator. Now go to the video description. You'll get these 3 command lines. Simply copy them in order. Paste it in the CMD window and hit enter to execute it. Once successfully executed, close the command prompt window. Open the services window. Right-click over the Capability Access Manager service and restart it. Close the services window once done and then restart your computer for the changes to take effect. However, if you are not able to perform these operations in normal mode of Windows, simply do this. Search for msconfig. You will get system configuration. Click on it. Then click on boot and select save boot. Click on apply, OK, and then click on restart. Once your PC restarts in safe mode, perform the delete operations. After doing all this, if you face any issues with your internet, then perform this step. Simply search for network reset and open it. And from here, simply perform a reset of your network, and that will help restore the network services back to normal. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe if this helped, and stay tuned for more Windows tips, tricks and tutorials. Thank you.